Hey guys, it's your girl, Sweet Curly Goddess, and I'm coming to you today with a makeup inspired look. So, before I jump into it, I'm going to ask you this question. It is vital. Did you hit that red subscribe button? Because it's down there, right below this video. Hit the button and also hit that notification bell, because you know your girl be on a hiatus sometimes. And she is working her way back on trying to do videos as often as possible. But anyways, so today's look is inspired by the Too Faced Christmas edition or limited edition makeup palette. So it is from Too Faced and it's this. So if you have it or if you don't have it, this is what it looks like. It's a pink and gold. It is the best year ever 2018 makeup palette. On this, it actually comes in this leather agenda pouch, and it says, "Don't let today be a waste of makeup." And when you open it up, actually, it has a couple of goodies for you. So it comes with the Better Than Sex mascara, and it also comes with the Sellout lip gloss and this 24 color palette. What? So it comes with this palette here. It has 25 shadow pigment colors. It comes with a bronzer, a highlight, and also a blush. And I'm gonna just let you admire these beautiful colors. I'm actually gonna post a picture actually on the screen so you can kind of see it a little bit better. And for all my agenda lovers like me, because I love my agenda and my planner. I write everything in it. Everything. It also comes with this agenda, and on the cover it actually says the same thing. Don't let today be a waste of makeup. It is actually perfect. In this agenda, it comes with stickers. It's so cute. It comes with these stickers, girl. And I already started using my stickers. I did. My second page, actually. And the little, like, thing that it comes with is actually a month-to-month makeup look routine. Basically, a step-by-step. It tells you what to do and what look to follow. And I really appreciate that. Thank you, Too Faced. Okay. So, what I want to do is try to follow this monthly makeup look, inspired look, and actually I'm going to be doing January's look since we're actually already in February, and I'll do February look a little later, and I will post up the picture of the January look so you guys can see. But it's like, it's pretty perfect. This book is cute. It really is cute. It goes all the way to December, so you have a whole year of looks. So guys, stay tuned, watch my video so you can see how I achieve the look. I'm gonna post a picture here somewhere, you know, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, thanks guys.
Got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel
guys, so thank you for watching my video. This is the final look. This is actually, the look is called Ladies Who Brunch, and this is so cute. It's actually in French and in English. So the colors that I used were Snow Day, Unwrap Me, and of course I did a wing line, and they called it Black Tie. And with the bronzer, I blended Will You Marry Me in kind of like giving me like a rosy cheek. I said bronzer, but I meant the blush. So with the blush, I just did like kind of a rosy cheek, but I did it more here than up here. And I don't absolutely love the look, but I don't hate it either. So we're just gonna say, here you go, Too Faced. Yeah, it's an okay look. It's not something that I would normally go for, but like I said, I'm just following their calendar and doing what their month-to-month look book thing is, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cute. So anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you guys are doing this, thing, just, let me know. Maybe show me some pictures, something, so I can see how your look came out. I mean, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so it ain't gonna be perfect. However, I think I did okay. I kind of copied the look. Yeah, I don't know, this beige Snow Day color, so like I said, leave some comments, subscribe, share with your mother, your brother, your cousin, your mans, whoever. Let them know to come to Sweet Curly Goddess's channel. Give me some likes, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to me. All right, guys, well, thank you very much for watching. I'm just gonna move in a little closer so you can see this eye, because this wing is not perfect, but it's cute. It's cute. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. Come back to my channel.